afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Peter Lennox Automotive Car of the Week. And today we've got something extra special for you. This beautiful 1978 280E white four-door sedan from the golden era of Mercedes. This is a classic, and it's a classic that you can get on the cheap, not a very expensive, just 20,000 Australian dollars for this car, and basically in as new condition. Very good throughout. It is ready to go. If you're looking for a classic car to take to the concourse or to the club meet, cars and coffee, you just want to have a bit of fun, then this car is it. We have mechanically checked this car and it is in A1 condition. The body, the condition of this car is simply stunning for a 1978 vehicle. As you can see, I'll do a quick walk around so you can see the body, the shape, everything straight. There really isn't many marks and scratches or dents. Remember, this is a 1978 car and it is original. Look at those tires and those hubcaps. Very nice. The bonnet itself, as you can see, very good condition. So I'll walk you around this car, but you really do have to come down and see it for yourself to appreciate how well this car has been kept since 1978. Now these cars, this is a W123 body. They're known to spin the odometer past 7 figures without major issues. This car's only done just over 250,000 kilometers, so it's still a spring chicken by anyone's standard, and will provide years and years of beautiful motoring in this classic 280 SE. The interior is simply amazing. I'll show you that in just a minute. Especially the dash itself, it is not cracked. Now it's almost impossible to find one of these W123s 280Es without a crack in the dash, and this car is one of those. And as you know, the dashes on these cars are pretty much impossible to get. So if you can find one, well, you're looking at one here that doesn't have a crack in the dash, that doesn't have a damaged dash, then you found probably the best car on the market. Now for only $20,000, this car is remarkable value. True classic, and it's a cheap classic. Without having to break the bank, you'd spend 3 times as much on a Holden from the same year. And look at this car, absolutely stunning, beautiful all over. Let's look inside from the back, and then we'll jump in on the driver's side to show you just how good the dash is and the interior. Now look at that, stunning Mercedes interior, all original. As you can see, look at the seats, the headrests, very good condition on this one. Even the rear parcel shelf, look at that. They usually fade or get really, sunburnt, but this car is in very good condition. The rear bench seat, amazing. And look at that carpet. Passenger side door, armrest, look at that. Really no wear and tear. It's almost as if it just stepped out of the showroom. Very good condition. Let's jump in on the driver's side and show you a bit more. Let's open the driver's door, and again, just to show you, everything on this car works. Everything is very well lined up. The doors, let's try the rear. As you can see, everything is perfect. Let's open the door, have a look at the wear and tear, as we usually do. Now this is a classic, an old car, and the condition is still very good, as you can see. Now you're probably wondering what this thing is. You've got a classic when you've got a window that is non-electric. So this actually winds the window down, and this winds the window up. Now you're driving a classic. Very nice. Let's have a look inside. This beautiful 280E 1978 is in very good condition on the inside. Let's do a quick sweeping shot so you can appreciate it on the seats here. The entrance sills, if you have a look, and even the carpet and the pedals are very good condition. Now remember, 250,000 kilometers for a 1978 Mercedes is very low mileage. And I'll just show you that dash, which is remarkable. Like we said, It is almost impossible, or might be impossible, to find a 280E 1978 without a cracked, damaged, tarnished dash. And as you can see, this is amazing. Just shows that this car was really kept indoors and in very good condition. As you can see, look at the wood, the interior, and even the center console here. Very, very nice. All right, so there you go. Very, very nice, very comfortable, in perfect condition inside out, and mechanically A1 too. Let's wrap it up. So there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful car. Now what's really special about this is low mileage, mechanically A1 condition, and as you can see, the condition on the body and the interior is simply perfect. And this car is basically ready to go. So if you're looking for a classic car on the cheap, 20,000 is not much for one of these, and you're looking to get into the the clubs, the cars and coffee, get involved in the scene for on a Sunday, this is the perfect car to do it. You could buy one that's half the price or less, but the restoration costs, the headaches, the trouble of getting parts, it'll cost you a lot more grief than just buying this beautiful car that is in perfect condition and ready to go.